Welcome back everyone. You may be in a situation where Xbox Live seems to be down and it doesn't matter what you do, nothing seems to be working. Well, if this ends up happening, the fastest way to actually check if this is your problem or if it's somebody else's problem is to actually check either the comment section of this video and sort by the latest comments, or you can go to something like downdetector.com and you want to see if the Xbox Live, little option is trending. You can also go ahead and check things like Twitter, and if Xbox Live is down, is trending or something like that, well then that pretty much shows you that Xbox Live is probably down, and all you have to do is pretty much just wait until Microsoft fixes their servers. Now luckily for you, everyone's probably experiencing this issue at the same time, so it's not like you're missing out on much. So that's pretty much the main way to fix it. Now let's say for some reason that doesn't seem to be the issue, and it seems like Xbox Live is not trending or nobody else is talking about it. Well, in this specific situation, what you need to do is you actually need to check your network connection. So what I would recommend doing is, first of all, check your Wi-Fi router and just make sure that your Xbox is getting, Wi-Fi or internet connection some way or another. If you have a wired connection, that's better. If you don't, check your Wi-Fi connection settings, and if you run the network test and it looks like everything's working fine, I would recommend trying to load up like the Xbox Store or anything like that. Try getting some things loading and see if, other things are loading. If everything else is loading but the Xbox Live, just isn't working at all, you want to verify that you have Xbox Live and you didn't run out of the subscription or anything. But also, you may want to leave a comment in the, comment section below and tell everyone that your, Xbox Live is down, because you may be one of the first people to actually see that Xbox Live is actually temporarily down. Now, if nothing else works, you can try actually restarting your Xbox, seeing if that works. If not, you may have to go and update your Xbox console, but most likely it's probably the Xbox Live servers that are down, and you're pretty much just going to have to wait until they fix it. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.